Uh, Very good morning to all of you, and welcome to second session. In this second session, I would like to explain you about how to prepare elevation from plan and with reference to the construction details given. And anyhow, we will refer sometimes we will refer line diagram, but mandatorily you require a plan and schedules of openings and construction details, and some of the construction details required, not all. Here, while preparing elevation, it is very important to see the details of Chejja. It means RCC Chejja of 600 mm wide, 150 mm thick at support, and 50 mm at the free end. This is visible, therefore, this must be written in elevation. And schedules of openings, this is also important to show the height of window, height of door, height of shutters, remote rolling shutter, and thickness of this canopy, so on. So these much construction details are required to show here. And one more important is height of the building. You have to see this. So you have to see RCC, details of RCC Chejja and steel roof truss, and we will mark these things in case of sectional elevation. But anyhow, the pitched roof will be indicated in elevation. This is visible. And height of the building is very important. So they are given 4.25 meter and 6.25 meter. So this is the height of building from roof level to corbel. And this is the height of the building from roof level to ridge of the truss. We have two heights. One will be at the end and one will be at the midpoint. The roof is covered with asbestos cement sheets. These are basic details we require to prepare an elevation. So we have simple procedure to prepare an elevation. Just you have to extend these lines. So I have extended these lines, and here also I have extended the line, and Chejja is also visible now, so therefore this must be extended, and even this also. So Chejja lines has been projected. And elevation means, so these elevation can be prepared so in such a way that a observer, a viewer must be viewed or observed from this end. That means we have to stand here and we have to observe everything, and those things must be incorporated here. So we can project these window lines, and even these window lines has been projected. So here it is very, very important to have height of the building at this end and height of the building at the midpoint. It is a ridge line. So this is the ridge point. So this is the ridge I have shown here. So I will explain once again. So here I will take this as the reference line. So I will consider this as the floor level. From this floor level, I have to mark 4.25. So I have to mark 4.25 into 2. That is 8.5. So when we project these lines, we will have a reference here. So from this end, if you mark, this will be the point. Again, from this projection line, have to mark 8.5 centimeter. So this will be the point. So this is one point at this end, and this is another point at this end. And you just measure this. So it will be 20 centimeter now. So mark the midpoint. So this will be 10 centimeters. So mark this point, and from this end you have to mark 6.25 meter into 2. So to the scale, that is 1:50. So it measures 12.5. So you mark here. So this will be the ridge point. So mark this. So when we obtain these 2 points, just mark this, and again this will be marked along this direction. This indicates the pitch of the roof. So this is a sloped roof or pitched roof. So when we project these lines and even this Chejja line, so this indicates a Chejja projection. So I have to extend this up to this end. This will be okay, fine. So this will be okay. So this is chajja. So what we have to do is, from this end I have to mark lintel level. That lintel level is at a height of 2.2 meter. It is given. Door height will be the height of the door will be marked at lintel level. So this height must be 2.2. So 2.2 means 4.4. So when you mark this, it will be this one. So this level. So what we are measuring is 4.4 from this end. Again, you have to include thickness of chajja. That is about 150 mm thick at support and 50 mm at the free end. So here you have to mark two lines. One will be of 150 mm thick, another will be of 50 mm. To the scale it will be 0.1. Mark it out 0.1 here, and you draw two lines. So you have to mark like this, and here also you have to mark 0.1. So this indicates thickness of chajja 150 and 50 at the front end, at the free end. And here also you have to show the thickness of chajja of the side windows. So this is the width of, and this will be the wall line. You have to mark with respect to, or with the help of thick lines. So you have to mark this line with the help of thick lines, and from this end you have to mark. So here it will be 0.3 to the scale, and it will be 0.1. So chajja will be marked like this. And here also it will be same. Extend this line further. So you mark 0.3 here and 0.1 here, and extend these lines. So these chajjas are visible from this end, and these chajjas are visible from this end. And after this, so you have to draw these windows. So I have written anyhow. So this will be of size 1.3. 1.3 into 2, it will be 2.6. From this point you have to mark 2.6, and again 2.6. So width will be 1.2 meter. 2 meter means 4. So as we projected these lines, it comes as it is. So no need to measure this one. So project the lines and just measure this height of the window. It must be 1.3 meter. To the scale it is 2.6. So mark the bottom of the window, that is sill. So this will be sill level. So we have to mark these levels later. So this will be the lintel level, and what we have written here, it is this level is corbel. That means we have to place a stone here to take the load from this truss, what we can call it as purlins. And so this is the elevation. Just to show the elevation, it is enough. So it is extended up to this point, and it will be of is made up of angles, but anyhow it is not visible from the front end. Why? Because walls has been raised up to this ridge point. but we have to cover this with the help of this. So that will be the ridge in the truss. So we can provide ventilators like this just in order to increase aesthetic appearance of the structure, in order to have a better view. So circular ventilator can be provided at the top. It may be vary, but anyhow this can be shown. So I have to mark. You can write this as sashed windows like this. So this will be of glass. So this can be indicated like this. Even here also you can mark. So these are we can mark, and even so this much is enough in elevation. So I will write this as floor level, and so we'll treat this as 0 level. Below that I have to show in case of sectional elevation. This will be lintel level. This is of height. So I have to mark the height of lintel. It is at 2.2 meter from this. 2.2 meter, and this will be the point at where corbel is placed to receive this purlin. I will call this as so here this will be the ridge line. So I will call this as level itself, ridge level of height 6.250 meter, and this is a level of 4.250 meter. Right. this can also be marked as sill level. This is of height. You have to deduct this level 2.2 minus height of window 1.3, so we will get 0.9. So this will be 0.90 meter. Okay, and again here you can write this thickness of chajja and width of chajja. So this will be 0.6 meter, and this height can be indicated as it is in mm, 50 mm, and this will be 150. If you want to show in meters, it will be 0.15 and it will be 0.05 meter. If you can mark that also. Right, this much is sufficient in case of elevation. This ends your elevation. Thank you.